Here's how to make a cool fire planet effect in Photoshop. So first thing I'm going to do is create a new layer, fill the layer as black, and I'm going to come up here to a marquee tool and select the circle one, and then just draw a circle line nearly about the size of the document that you're using, and then just position it into the middle. Then come up to filter and render, and then you're going to go to difference clouds, and what you're going to do now is just keep applying the filter again by using Control F, and you're just going to do it a few times, usually sort of between 4 and 7, just till you get a sort of grainy effect that sort of looks more like a planet. So that one sort of looks good. It looks like a planet surface with lots of sort of winding marks and things, so we're going to use that one. Then you're going to come up again to the filter and click distort and click spherize, and you're going to push your spherize setting up to 100. When we click OK, that gives us a nice circular look, and then come up to select, choose inverse, and then what you're going to do now is come up to the filter again and select blur and then radial blur, and just make sure your radial blur is at 100, method zoom and quality good, and when we click OK, that gives us a nice halo effect round the back. So I'm going to just apply that again, use Control F, that makes it just a bit brighter. So next thing you're going to do is just deselect your selection there and come over here to your paint bucket and choose gradient tool. Now you're going to come up here with your colours, and what you're going to do is choose the orange and yellow option, and what you want is on one side you want the orange, and on the other side, I'm just going to drag this along here, we're really wanting the yellow. So click OK there, come over to mode and select colour burn, and then you're going to just have a play around and see with the gradient tool, just click and drag it over and just see what sort of effect that you can get. So that one looks okay right away, so that looks fine. If it doesn't match what you think you want it to look like, just try again and draw a line in another direction. And yeah, now we're going to just do the final bit, which is image adjustments, and go to the brightness and contrast, and this is where you can sort of play around with it a bit. I'm going to push the brightness up a little, let's just see, push the contrast up a bit as well, so that gives us a nice shine. And then the last bit is you come over here to your smudge tool and just click on smudge, and then make sure you've got a soft brush selected and change your strength to about 60, and then what you can do is you just go round and pick out spots with the brush and just brush out where an explosion would be happening on the surface. So you can do that in a number of places, and just make sure you try and keep it straight. You can change the size of your brush as well, just to add a little bit of variety, and go round wherever you want, adding on little explosions, and you can have as many small ones as you want and bigger ones as well. So just go around, do your own effect and see how you get on.